40s V3.
It's been 2 months, bro.
Yes, sir.
No.
What's good, y'all? So today we got our Yeezy pod a couple days back. Crazy story, to be honest, because Chase got his from his order, but I got mine from eBay, so I had to pay resale to be able to get my pods. Bro, what? Let me get a little fit check from Chase right quick.
You already know I got my baggy jeans. I feel like Ye wore these, bro. I feel like Ye got these jeans, but you already know Vulture shirt, like always the long sleeve.
The longer,
stem player. Yes, sir. Gotta add that as an accessory. We listen to the Vultures right now. Breaking those stems apart. Seiko watch, 14K. You know what I'm saying?
Heard it.
Leech chain like always. AirPod Max in the sky blue colorway. Bro, I played basketball on these. I ran in these. I went in the grass with them. And honestly, when I first got them, bro, I was like kind of pissed. Bro, I don't think I like these, but I put them on and I started walking and running. I was like, yo, these joints feel different. Like, bro, I'm able to scrunch my foot in these mugs, man. When I drive, I be like that. You see that? Look at that foot action. You can't do that with regular shoes, bro.
I would say with wearing the pods, bro. Oh, I have like an arched foot. It's kind of like a getting used to type of feel. I think the homie Alex, he said that it was like wearing like he had like a house shoe, bedroom slipper. The first day, my feet were busting. Like it was a hard like type of experience.
I feel like they started to feel good though, bro. Like the padding.
Oh wait, let me do my fit check.
Yes, sir. Do the fit check. Let's talk about it.
So today I got the Sunday service. I think it's New York. I get all these fits like mad cheap. I got this shirt for $40. I think LA Apparel shorts.
Yes, sir.
Let me say something. Hey, look. I bought antagonist tour tickets. My girl bought them for my damn Christmas gift. Cardi still haven't refunded my joint. It's been 2 months, bro. 2 months. Like, bro, what are you waiting on, bro? Come on, bro. I need that money right now, bro. Come on, bro. That's my gift.
I'm weak, for sure, bro. My boy Matt just pulled up too.
Hey, what camera you got, Gaby?
Yeah, shout out to Matt Gong. Wait, how you say that? Galanko.
That boy right here.
Nah,
State.
So
State
my boy,
champion.
I got them Final Four champ.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Explain your calm, simple, blank fit.
This is Uniqlo. Okay. This is Target.
Yes, sir.
And dirty ass Adidas running shoes because we're gonna be walking a lot. We're gonna be walking.
What do you think about that?
Adidas? I mean,
hey, I'm sponsored by Adidas, so
look, I sponsored. Me personally,
oh no,
I'm sponsored right now. Look, I would wear a pair of Sambas if I was gifted a pair. I like the Gazelles though, but I am kind of on the Nike wave now, ASIC wave now.
I think since Ye took that picture with the Adidas CEO in the airport, like we can let you slide. But that picture never.
Yeezys, though. I'm still wearing the Yeezys, bro, to this day.
If that picture never happened, then I don't know. But nah. This man Chase went balling in his shit.
I did balling.
Got the goddamn.
He's a witness. Matt's witness.
Got his shit's talking already.
Your shit's talking. All right, cool.
No, but
cool. They talking for real?
They talking a little bit.
Not really.
Nah, but you know my shit. I got my shit on 10 10.
For resale.
I did pay resale. Wait, did I say that already? I got my pods on eBay for like 75, but it's crazy because I ended up. I'm like embarrassed to even tell the story, bro. I bought a size 1 and somebody scammed me. Somebody scammed me and gave me a size 1. So I didn't get to do the video 2 weeks ago. So this video has been taking mad long to do, but my initial flaws with the pods, bro. Let me set this up. My shit, fuck you. My shit came in like this. Although I didn't get it from Yeezy, they were pretty much dead stock, I think. Like, but this is what my soul's looking like after like a full day of walking, and the pods like kind of definitely did it to me. My shit was like hurting. I had surgery last year in October, so I've been wearing like pretty much comfortable shoes the last like 3-4 months, and wearing these, bro, my hip was hurting from like where I got my surgery. That's like one big take I can kind of just give based off like my situation.
When I first put them on, what I did, I put them on, I walked, I lift up, I was like, yo, what's going on, bro? But then I went outside and I was like, bro, it's not that bad for real, bro. The cushioning really kind of like not that bad. Like, it's not as bad as y'all think it is, bro. The biggest part about it though is the crease behind your, oh hell no.
Oh yeah.
The crease, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, and it's like, it just feel weird. It's like 2 pebbles on my foot for real. You know what I'm saying?
It's the like ball in your feet. Like the balls of your feet are the only thing that have the cushion.
Right.
So like if you have an arc in your foot, like the bridge in between it, it's kind of just like super flat. So
I would say put some more cushion in it and they'll be good on the ball of your foot. Like right here. Put some cushion in right here.
Yeah, it's got to be rounder or something.
Yeah.
It's got to be rounder for sure.
All around, I'm going to give it an 8. Like, I'm not too mad. Like, I'm not too mad because it's $20.
Nah, definitely.
Kind of make me mad.
That's what another thing I should have said. At the $20 price tag, bro, how much can you really complain? Like, at 200 I would have been pissed off. But $20, I bought 8 pairs in my first order. So you could personally have a pair that you do all your crazy stuff in, and I have a pair that you're gonna wear around the crib, and I have a pair that you're gonna wear with the fit if you go to school or something. But
I would say this is a throw-on shoe just to like do a quick errands. Like, fuck yeah, I'm about to go do something real quick. I'm about to, you know what I'm saying? Like,
you're right.
Like these literally like foam runners, but like sock. Like these my sock foam runners for real. Like slides. Like I'm not wearing no more slides or foam runners after this.
I would say my overall rating for the pods, bro, I'm gonna say 7.5.
7.5?
Just because the fact that they hurt my feet a lot, so that's -2. And then I'm gonna minus a half a point just off the fact that like I feel like the glue is not like the glue.
Hold on, so the adhesive for you is like breaking off, bro?
Yeah, like I'm gonna like give grace, so like 7.5, 8 in between there.
Yeah.
Give grace, because if I wear these for like another 2-3 weeks and
it's gonna be
good,
bad, yo.
I don't know. That's what I'm saying. Like if everything is good 2-3 weeks, then I'll give it an 8.
Okay.
Durability test video. We gonna hoop. We gonna work out. That was only 2. I don't know.
Take him on the track.
I know I'm wearing these with jorts. If you're hating on me because I'm wearing jorts with Yeezy pods, I ain't got nothing to say to you, bro.
Nah.
And honestly, I'm gonna try to put my shoe, I'm gonna put my foot with my Yeezy pods in the shoe, see if that works. If it works, it works. You just gotta take out the insole. It might work. I don't know, I've just been thinking about it.
Wait, you gonna put your shoe in the Yeezy pod?
No, I'm gonna put my Yeezy pod in the shoe.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? Like, what if I need a bigger size and I take them off and I'm like,
you have to get like a 12.
I know, right? Cause dang, really?
Bro might be cooking. If anybody see somebody do that before Chase, that was Chase Cook.
That was me, bro. That was me.
Tag him. What's your ad again? Tag him if you see that.
Is on Instagram at Chase Aaron. That's ChaseAeRRIN. But also buy some NRK. Like you already know, I gotta say that. VANRKDAL on Instagram, bro.
We make clothes, bro. We love making clothes, and obviously that's the content based off for most of the videos. So we about to just enjoy the rest of the day. Maybe grab some food, and we gonna actually ask people maybe some Kanye questions, some trivia. Chase might give away some NRK if you get it right.
What?
And we gonna go from there.
Hey, hardest jersey in here.
Is it for real?
Bro, you ain't got this shit, you get no bitches. I swear. Why you say that though?
Yes, sir.
No.
I got that. So is Kanye West canceled?
That's a great question, actually.
No, I don't think he's canceled.
Yes.
Yes.
Nah, I still be buying the slides and foam runners. In the creative scene, I think like he has his own he's in his own room. Of course, he can say and do things that aren't like stuff that he does is very controversial. And I feel like you can purposely not do controversial things.
Okay. Is he valid or is he canceled?
Depends on how you look at it. Creatively, I think he's valid creatively.
Oh my god, you don't have shoes?
It's the Yeezy pod.
Oh, the shoes, that's the easy pod.
Yeah.
Kanye shit.
Bianca or Kim?
Next question.
Who?
Who's Bianca?
Kanye's new wife.
Oh, Kim. Cause she held it down. Kanye was crazy as fuck and she held that shit down. And to deal with a crazy person is hard. I would know. When you deal with a crazy ass nigga, that shit is so hard. You don't know what to do. Like, you don't know what to do.
Best Kanye West shoe.
What are they called? Like 540s? V3?
What?
And what do you think about the Yeezy pods?
Got the wet shirts. Maybe like an 8.
8? Alright, that's valid.
Thanks, brother.
Come on, yeah. From the place I've been, like, I wouldn't understand all that.
Wait, what does that mean?
What is it? What's the question?
How do you feel about the Yeezy pods?
That shit look like socks, nigga. I don't understand what's going on. My mother would never let me wear that. No kill.
What's your favorite Yeezy?
My favorite Yeezy is no nigga, the slides, the slide one. My favorite Yeezy is the slide one because you can literally get a fake one from anywhere. I love that shit. I literally love that shit. No kill.
Is Kanye West canceled?
Yes.
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 Once that nigga said slavery wasn't real, he canceled in my eyes. No
Nah,
cap.
the Jewish shit and the divorce is
Follow
over.
me.
I just wanna bless you in designer. Baby, impress you and your mama. I don't wanna press you like a button. And I wanna trust you, but I can't trust you with my money. That's something I love too. You think that's something I'm up to?